Hey guys, and welcome back to Mommy and Decorate. On today's video, I will be decorating and cleaning my bathrooms. I will also be giving you a few helpful tips and hacks on how to keep your bathroom clean and also how to decorate your bathroom. If you are new here, I am a military wife and a stay-at-home mom of 4. My family and I also live on a military installation and in a military home. On my channel, I upload twice a week. As of now, my schedule is Monday and Friday mornings, so be sure to turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my new content. I will not be showing you how I cleaned this bathroom because my daughter had already cleaned the bathroom earlier that day. I just want to say that hanging up these initials, oh my God, it drove me crazy. Like, they were just so difficult to just stay in place. I know it's a better way to hang them, but oh my God, it was awful. Okay, first tip. Now, when shopping for your bathroom, your shower curtain, I would highly suggest that you get a fabric shower curtain because you can take it off and clean, just throw it in the washing machine. That's what I did before shooting this video, so that's why I'm hanging it back up. I've had this shower curtain well over a year now. Another tip, if you have children, it's best to get darker colors because if your children are like mine, they ruin everything. And those white bathrooms, they don't go well in my home. So that's why I went with the color black. When adding towels to your bathroom, you don't have to get the most expensive towels because it's only used for display. So these towels I got from Big Lots and they were like $3. If you're liking this video so far, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. This is the master's bathroom. Yeah, the counters never stay clean and majority of the stuff on the counter is mine. And yeah, excuse that wine bottle in the trash can.
I never thought you would take over my mind, 'cause I've been lost, but I'm giving you all of my time. Isn't that good enough? Changing my patterns a lot. Yeah, I never thought I'd be sitting here wrapped in your arms. things you hear. I'm not going anywhere without you. So put a little faith in me, though you're scared. No, I made it hard for you, but I can't. Now I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though you're scared. Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere, nowhere, and nowhere, no.
The Tidy Bowl cleaner is probably the best cleaner I have ever used in my entire cleaning history life, if that makes any sense. But it is the best so far. Like, it smells so good and I just love it. The bad thing about it is I got it from Marshall's and it was $4 and I probably will never see it at Marshall's again.
I'm not going anywhere without you. So put a little faith in me, though you're scared. No, I made it hard for you, but I can't. Now I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though you're scared. Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere, nowhere, and nowhere, no. But I'm still here, hope that we will get there.
Another tip that helps out with cleaning the bathroom is I have different cleaning products in all three of my bathrooms, so I don't have to keep moving them around or shifting them around or forgetting one downstairs, and that helps out a lot.
No, I made it hard for you, but I can't. Now I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though you're scared. Sometimes I feel like we're getting nowhere, nowhere, and nowhere, no. But I'm still here, hope that we will get there, get there, get there, together. Sometimes I feel like we're getting.
I like to use the dish wand to clean my tub and the towel in the shower. Now, this dish wand does stay in the bathroom at all times. This is the only area that this one is used.
Get there, together.
And also for cleaning, I do have my rags color coded, so I know which ones go in the kitchen, which ones go in the bathroom. Yeah. And also, when you feel like the rags are way too dirty and they actually develop a scent, you can boil them in a pot with vinegar and Fabuloso. If you are liking this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. So far you guys seem to enjoy my cleaning and decorating videos the most. I was just wondering, was there any type of advice, tips on how I can make these videos better for you guys? If there are, just leave me a comment in the comment section below. This is my downstairs half bath. Now, this bathroom gets the most traffic because it is downstairs where everyone is eating, so the walls are disgusting everywhere. And with boys, if you are a mom of boys, you already know how they get down. Now I want you to see this wall right here to the left. It is nasty. With this being the dirtiest bathroom, I do have to wipe everything down. I have to disinfect the mirrors, the whole sink, the walls, the entire toilet multiple times. And also, when you're cleaning a bathroom, don't forget to clean those door handles, the light switches, the toilet handle, the tissue holder. Those areas hold so many germs. And during this season, we cannot afford to have any germs floating around. So I like to fill the brush holder up with Fabuloso and vinegar. I've noticed that it helps keep the brush a lot fresher and cleaner for the next time, you clean the toilet. So I've been doing this for about a year now, and it works well. I just want to give a quick shout out to my YouTube sis Ebony on showing us how to make these wipes, disinfectant wipes. And I just want to say they turned out great. If you are still here watching, I just want to thank you. You are the best, and watching my entire video does help out my channel so much. Liking my video, subscribing to my channel, and sharing my videos support me in so many ways. Thank you so much, and this concludes the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you liked how I decorated my bathrooms. Thank you, and bye.